I wanted to show y'all the struggles. Yeah, we all been through it. Everything in one set as far as like tripods. I like to do what I love, and I want to make sure I'm getting paid to do what I love. That's understanding. If you can make it to 2 million for my millionaires out there, shoot higher. As 2 billion is not even 1% of the world. I want 100K in 6 months.
Wondering why? No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye.
What is up, you guys? My name is Lauren Nicole and welcome back to my channel. Well, first things first, let me just start off by saying welcome all my new subscribers. Y'all have been coming in from I don't know where, but welcome to my channel. If you are new, if you are not new and you are here for the first time, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you are not already subscribed.
Go on, honey, take a chance.
Okay, for this video we're about to do how to start a YouTube channel, and I've been getting this comment so much. But like, how are you able to do all this and you claim you only have a phone? Well, I am doing this on my phone, and I will show you guys my setup and everything. So I'm gonna take pictures. First things first, I have equipment. So for my equipment, I have everything in one set as far as like tripod. So for my tripod, it comes with the mini ring light, and they keep it in this bag or whatever. It is bright, so you get what you pay for. It's not bright like this one. Right now I'm using this. You can get this on Amazon as well. This is just as bright as a professional ring light, but I like this better because my channel, I do more so of makeup looks and hair tutorials. I don't do a whole lot of vlogging, and I don't do a whole lot of traveling. So this is why I decided to get a vanity mirror with professional lighting. If you are on a budget, when I started out, this is what I was using. It helped me so much. You can still see in my past videos that I still made it do what it do. And I've been doing everything on my phone. I'm still doing everything on my phone because I haven't got a camera just yet. So it comes with the light. If you are out and about, you can take your light off, leave it at home, and you can also have this. So if you want to take your pictures outside, it's a Bluetooth. So you hook it up to your phone and you take pictures. It comes with this little holder thing. I'll take a picture of it right here, but it's for your phone. And they also have to where you could take this off and you can put on another adapter on the top for cameras. So tripod will probably last you so long. It's literally like so versatile. So starting out, if you know, I started out doing YouTube in high school. So this was what I was doing it on at first. I know y'all like, what the fuck is this? But I held on to all of this just because I wanted to show y'all the struggles. Like what is this? What is this? But I had to do what I had to do. Like, I needed something to be propped up, and like them books wasn't doing it. Like back in the day, we didn't have all this. I don't remember where I got this from. I probably got this at Five and Below, who knows? But I started out with, then I ended up moving on up, you know, a little bit more techie stuff. This is actually still good. I would still use this. I would use this out in public. So this is what I moved up to because you can prop it and sit it down on a desk or whatever. So you put your phone right here, it stretches, and then this is what I moved up to. And then the second thing was my tripod. Yeah, we all been through it. Now on my phone, iPhone quality is just as good as cameras now, and it's crazy because when I started out using my phone, I didn't have the benefits like I do with this one. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my quality on my phone. If you do step by step, I'm gonna put the icons right here. I'm gonna show you guys how I change my quality. To change the lighting, I tap the screen. You're gonna see like a box and a sun come up. That means brightness. I'm turning my brightness all the way up, and it gets bright. It gets bright. I think that's for night mode if you go all the way up there. Also go all the way down. All the way down. It goes all the way down. I like to keep it off because it's you see I can get really yellow. So that is what that looks like, and I'm gonna show you guys what the quality look like. Quality, you're gonna see something in the corner. Right now I'm on HD 60. I always do everything on HD 60 because it focuses better, it does everything better. This is HD 60. This is HD 30. I don't know if you can see a difference. You probably can't. Can you see a difference? This is HD 30. I'm gonna go back to 60. Can you see a difference? You probably can, you probably can't. But this is HD 60. I'm gonna show you guys what regular 4K looks like. So this is regular 4K 30, and as you can see, like you can see by my hands, it's not as HD. You can even see like with my hair, everything's much softer. I don't particularly care for it. I feel like HD is much more easier to edit as far as like the brightness and everything. This is 4K 60, and this is 4K 24. So like, as you can see, like it looks like I'm kind of lagging. A lot of stuff is kind of late. Yeah. If you do not want to get a camera, just upgrade your phone. I don't know if the HD is on the 11 and below, but I know for sure it's on the 12 and the 13. It will not hurt to upgrade your phone because you're paying on it monthly versus having to pay it all at once for cameras. This ring light works just as good. And as far as any other equipment, I bought a MacBook. I saved up my money and I bought a MacBook, one for school and one for editing, just because it was just much easier. But I did used to edit everything on iMovie. Maybe like a year ago, I was doing everything on iMovie. Everything. I'll show you the videos where I did everything on iMovie. For backdrops, I find a small area in my room. The fabric that I have was given to me. All you gotta do is get 2 nails, put 2 nails on, you know, both sides. Your fabric only needs to be this long. You don't need this much fabric because they can't even see it anyways. At a Hobby Lobby, Michaels, you can go anywhere. You can even get it on Amazon. Glitter fabric. Hell, some people are even using papers. So the next topic is introducing yourself. Trying to get comfortable. The only way you will get comfortable is if you're doing something that you love. Hands down. I've noticed that a lot of people like for me to do. People like when I try on clothes. People like when I do hair. That's my biggest thing, was hair and clothes. Mainly clothes, but clothes cost money. And I'm not going nowhere, and I have other priorities going on. If you want me to do lookbooks, I will do that, but I mean, it costs money. My biggest thing was hair and clothes. I love clothes and I love hair. I also love makeup, but my makeup doesn't do as good because people like when I do hair more. That doesn't mean that people don't like your videos. They just like that you do something else more. Do not get discouraged. But when I tell you, when you find your niche, do everything that you love to do. So if you enjoy shopping, vlog. If you enjoy doing your hair, do your hair. If you enjoy cooking, cook. If you like to do fitness, do fitness. When you constantly do those videos, and you constantly find ideas to do things around those ideas, you'll see what videos people like for you to do. So people tend to like my personality, you know, just the ideas that I have with clothes, how I try on clothes. That's what I end up doing. I started to do more hauls. Also with hair, people like that I am detailed. People like that I'm not gonna lie to you. My hair, I'm not trying anything that I know is gonna mess up my hair. In the beginning, just be you. Be you. Do not be anybody else. Because when I tried to step outside my comfort zone, I could see it. And it was so cringing. Your friends know you and your family knows you. If you need advice from anybody on how a video looks, go to them, because they will tell you if they like it or not, because they know you. When people meet you in person and they look at your videos, you want them to say, dang, you act just like this in person. Try not to be fake. Try to look at it like this. It's 1 billion people in the world. You'll be surprised how many people act just like you. You will be surprised. It's cajillion of us in the world, and you mean to tell me can't nobody relate to me? No. That's when nobody can tell you nothing, and you better keep on doing YouTube videos. If you are afraid to talk, you don't necessarily have to talk. There are some YouTubers who don't talk in their videos. They just simply do a tutorial and they have good ideas and they getting paid. That's another thing. Do not do it for the money, because people can definitely tell when you're doing it for the money. I like to do what I love, and I want to make sure I'm getting paid to do what I love. That's understanding. If you're just being thirsty, exposing people, talking about people 24/7, people know when you're doing it for the money. They know. It is so freaking windy outside. Don't be messy. If you are not a drama page, if you are not Yo, this wind is high. I'm not a drama page. If you are not a news page, it's no reason why you should be in some mess. People get bored with mess. People get bored with mess. You see a lot of YouTubers. I mean, I don't even have to name any names. You could think of some. So another thing is promotions. You want to pay to put yourself out there. Instagram and Facebook is linked, and they have an option to where you can promote your stuff. You are not paying for subscribers. Don't get it twisted. Don't think
I paid all this money for promotions and ain't nobody subscribing to me.
no. You paid to put yourself out there. And when you put yourself out there, you put yourself in these ads, you're only showing yourself to people where they send you. Now they have an option of where you can say what city you want your stuff to show in and what state you want your stuff to show in. But at the end of the day, if you don't go in and put like those hashtags, all of that, they are going to put you where they want to put you. Now, if you want to go to some of these people that are paying for subscribers and this is that, without, you know, you can do that, but that's just not me. I like organic subscribers because I want to make sure, you know, these people gonna come back to me because they love me and I love them, and it's gonna stay that way. You're not gonna see gamers watching my stuff. I mean, they may watch it because they may think I'm cute, but you're not gonna see gamers and farmers watching my stuff. Like, people can clearly see that, you know, it's paid for. Facebook is a little bit more detailed. I like to do everything through Facebook, and I link my Facebook to everything. So I link my Facebook to Instagram. I think you can do Twitter now. I don't remember, but I think you can do Twitter. On there, put what countries you want to put what cities you want to put, what people you want to put, what ages. It works. People are only gonna click on it if they're interested, and that's another thing. The way I do my thumbnails, I use the Monkey app and I use Fonto. I use the Monkey app for the size. I noticed that Monkey app messes with the quality, and it kind of makes me look yellow, and I'm already yellow. I'm like a yellow brown, and I don't want to look yellow in my pictures. I started to use Fonto, and I just use Monkey app for the size. That is pretty much it. Don't be afraid to tell people to subscribe to you. They have it set up to where you can send an automated message to all of your friends. You can say, hey, subscribe, and I'll send the same message to maybe like 300 people. I do it once. I'm not the person that just blows up your inbox. It's either you subscribe or you don't, and they'll pick out like random people on Facebook, and you send an automated message. Snapchat also does that. Instagram, I don't think they do that. I think they do that. I think you have to go in and tap. Don't be afraid to tell people you have a channel. You are in a big city, wherever you are, trying to network. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And yeah, subscribe to my channel because we are growing hella fast. Hella fast. When I say hella fast, don't let nothing stop you. Like, I wish I kept doing YouTube, because when I was doing YouTube in high school, it was so easy to get views because not everybody was doing YouTube at the time. Do YouTube now while you can. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for y'all subscribing. Y'all, we are y'all 100K in 6 months. I want 100K in 6 months. Also, shoot higher. Don't forget to shoot higher. You better shoot higher. Don't ever limit yourself. If you can make it to 200, you can make it to 400. If you can make it to 400, you can make it to 500, and then so on. If you can make it to 2 million, for my millionaires out there, shoot higher. Don't stop because you're a millionaire. Shoot higher. If you can make it to 2 million, you can make it to 5 million. If you can make it to 1 billion, you can make it to 2 billion. That's on period. 2 billion is not even 1% of the world. Always room for growth. I don't care what nobody say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I can't wait to see what this year has to come. Be what you like to watch. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my socials. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.